Dante from League City has a question about a water softener.
Long-time listener wants your buying advice. Dante writes, my two-story house, about 4,000 square feet, and he has two tankless water heaters installed already. And we received a quote for about $5,000 to put a water softener in, and it comes with an RO as well. He says the system will give us lots of choices and filters in the water and pellets and et cetera. But Dante wants to know if he'll get a good bang for his buck by spending that kind of money.
Well, if you have a big house and you're going to have a water softening system, depending on how many bathrooms you got two water heaters, makes me think you probably have 3-4 bathrooms. Mm-hmm. And then you have a reverse osmosis put in also. It's going to be around $4,000 to $6,000 depending what units you buy and how they're set up. The best thing you can do is get some more opinions. Of course, Aquatex would be one company I would tell you to call, but I don't think it's out of line for what you're buying. If you were just saying you're getting a small water softener, that would be one thing. It'd be $2,000-3,000. But you're getting reverse osmosis. You have a bigger home. You have to go to a more commercial unit, so you have the water flow through it. It can be that expensive.
I imagine that, what John has told me when I've talked to him at Aquatex about this kind of thing, is you get to that size, it's almost one of those 2-tank ones that's washing each other and all, and then you're easy into that money. Yeah,
and you got to have the big water flow, so it's 1.25 inch pipes going through there, so you have a lot of water running through it, so you don't lose pressure in your house. You got to be careful.
But his question about bang for buck. I mean, the real benefit of that, as I understand what you said in the past, is it's going to prolong the life of those water heaters.
Oh, yeah. No, I've got a tanked water heater in my home that's 21 years old, and it still works like it's brand new, and I've always had a water softener. And I've actually gone through one water softener. I'm into my second one, the Kinetico now, and I probably have, I don't know, maybe $6,000, $7,000 of investment in water softeners and reverse osmosis over the year.
Well, and nice things.
They last a long time.
Well, and the soap is going to work better. There's just so many good reasons to do it.
But it's not cheap.
Yeah, but pull the pin, make it happen.
It's like an air conditioning system. It's going to cost you.
But our answers don't. Those are free.
That's true.
You can send them to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Check out our videos over here. And would you help us out? Subscribe to our channel, please.